These are perfect. Make sure they are loaded carefully for the factory.
Temperature is stable at 5 degrees Celsius.
Good. Maintain current speed.
The temperature in loop 3 is spiking slightly above the threshold. Acknowledged. Adjusting flow rate now to compensate.
The flow rate on manifold 3 is slightly high, but still within tolerance. Acknowledged. The synchronization is perfect. All pallets secured and strapped, Supervisor.
Looks good. Finalize the seal for nationwide delivery.
Oh wow, they have the fresh watermelon back in stock.
Yeah. This stuff is amazing. Honestly, the best juice here.
Let's get a few bottles for the road trip.
That's $45.50. Did you find everything all right?
Yes, thank you.
Have a great day.
Wow, this juice is amazing.
It's so sweet. Cheers, brother.
I'm glad you like it.
Pallet count matches the manifest. Ensure the temperature holds steady at 2 degrees Celsius.
Confirmed. The digital tag is active and logging.
All green on the manifest, the watermelon juice is clear.
Copy that. Crane, you are clear to stack on layer 4, section B. Moving the final pallet into compartment B. Inspection confirmed. Temperature is stable.